Religion of Ease 4. I saw a news report a while ago, which will be briefly discussed. It reported on a successful non-Muslim businessman. It discussed how he struggled at the start of his business, and how many years of effort, stress and sacrifice led to a successful multi-million-pound business. It reminded me of a verse of the Holy Quran which declares that Allah, the Exalted, never wastes the efforts of people. Chapter 11 HUD, verse 115.
Allah does not allow to be lost the reward of those who do good.
This verse provides hope that as long as one strives to do something lawful and beneficial, their efforts will not be wasted. If Allah, the Exalted, does not waste the efforts of people who do not even believe in Him, why would He not support the Muslims who believe in His oneness and lordship? If Allah, the Exalted, does not waste the efforts of people when they strive for the material world, how can He then waste the efforts of those who strive to achieve good in the hereafter? People should therefore never give up striving to achieve good in both this world and in the next. Unfortunately, some Muslims have given up struggling to earn a lawful income after facing some hardship. They instead opt to receive social benefits and become a burden on society. Those who are rightly entitled to receive benefits should continue to utilize them, as it is their right. But those who have the ability to earn for themselves should do so and contribute to the society. This verse also encourages Muslims to continue doing good to others, even if they do not appreciate their efforts. If one acts with sincerity, meaning for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, they should be confident their efforts have been recorded and will be rewarded in both worlds. To conclude, whatever lawful action a Muslim performs, whether it is worldly, such as a business opportunity, or whether they perform a religious deed, they should put full effort into it, knowing that Allah, the Exalted, will support them and grant them success sooner or later.